Welcome back to STEAM class with Miss Jackie. Okay, in this STEAM class, we will learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Okay, today, we will finish our project, our crane. Okay, are you excited? Okay, let's start. Okay, the material that we need are cardboard F, and remember the thin cardboard, and also string, hook, straw, pencil, toothpick, scissor, our pulley that we made on week 2, don't forget glue gun, and also the material that we made last week. Okay, now please take your black straw. We only need the black part, not the string. Okay. Make sure you cut it 1 centimeter. Okay, you now have 2 black straw. Okay, take your glue gun because we're going to attach the black straw with the thin cardboard. Okay, before you attach it, make sure you put hole quite as big as the hole from the straw, You can use your pencil or glue gun. Make sure do not cover the hole with glue because we need the hole because we're going to put the toothpick in. Make sure you press it down, so it will be strong. Make sure the hole is fine, Okay, you make one more exactly like before. Okay, make sure it can be spin, Okay, now we're done. Please take your pulley and the material last week. Okay. Now you take one of the toothpick, you put inside. make sure you put glue on the right side here, so it will stick ya. Okay, now please take your cardboard F and then you measure to put 2 holes ya on cardboard G. Okay, like this ya. Okay, and then you put some mark here, 1 and 2 here. And then you can put a hole with toothpick ya. Make sure your hand ya, be careful ya. Okay, now you have 2 holes ya. Okay, now the right side. Make sure that the left side and the right side they are in the same measurement. For example, you take your scissor ya. Okay, this is around 2.6 ya. And then here 2 centimeters. So make sure it's around that ya. Okay. Two point six. Okay, you can put 2.6 ya. Mark it. And 2 centimeter. Okay, so it's around that ya. Now the first hole, the one in front ya, both of them, you make the hole as big as the hole in the straw ya. Miss, what is the another hole for? You take one of the toothpick. And then you can put here. Nah. Okay. Now you take another toothpick. Then you put it here. This is for the lock, yeah. This is lock. So you cannot spin it anymore, yeah. See, the circle here cannot be spin, yeah, because it's locked by the toothpick. But if you want to spin it, yeah, you take out the toothpick. Okay, now you tie the string really tight, yeah. It's okay if you tie it like 2 or 3 times, yeah. Now you just spin the string. Okay. Now make sure you put some glue so the first string while you are waiting until the glue dry. Okay, you can take the hook. Yeah, be careful. Okay, this is extremely sharp. If it's hard for you to tie it, yeah, onto the hook, yeah, it's good for you to put glue gun so it will stick together, yeah, a little bit only. Okay, now you can see, yeah, when you spin the straw, yeah, the things can go up. Whatever you want to put there, yeah. Miss Jackie put the unused cardboard. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Now we already finished our green cardboard. Actually, you can decorate it, yeah. Okay. See you. Bye bye everyone. Good job.